in the dais, students, and prospective entrepreneurs, and ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to be associated with iCreate, and also I feel very happy when I see such young people. I personally feel that it is said that actually for India we require addition of 1 million jobs. They say that per month it is required for the next 120 months if India wants to go at this speed, not in higher speed and all that, to do with the population and with all these new people who are coming to get jobs. Question is, who can give the jobs? There was a time when the government was giving, state government, central government, public sector, so they used to that create these jobs. It's not possible anymore. Jobs have to be given only through the private sector, through the private enterprise. So we have to create actually a system, I would say that a culture under which that this private enterprise they thrive. And they can thrive only when the entrepreneurship culture is created. And we are all actually, I would say, that players that in this culture we have to develop it, whether it is a society, whether it is the universities, whether it is the government, whether they are bankers, investors, everybody actually is a part of this thing for entrepreneurship development culture. I compliment iCreate that they have started creating this entrepreneurship development culture that in the state of Gujarat, which I am very sure that is going to be one of the best actually that entrepreneurship, that culture in that entire world. And I compliment especially Mr. Sahu, the chairman. He is able to bring actually the best people from Israel. Israel is an example actually in this world where entrepreneurship that can be developed. Such a small country, but you look at actually that their GDP, look at their growth. Mostly it has been done through the venture capital culture. And that this is the right partners that for us they have come here. As far as the GPFL is concerned, that you may be knowing, many of you may not be knowing also that you are all young students, I could see. It is the first venture capital in the country. It is the first venture capital in the country created way back in 1989-90 by the World Bank. World Bank came and Gujarat from that time is a very enterprising state. Gujarat had signed a MOU with World Bank under which GPFL was created along with the ICICI Venture and another 2-3 venture capitals in this country. Since then, we have travelled a distance. But if you look at actual history of the venture capital in the country, from venture capital, people slowly graduate to private equity. You must be all reading every day that in the newspapers that a lot of private equities funds are coming to the country and millions and billions of dollars that is being, every day is being exchanged. People talk about Snapdeals, people talk about Flipkarts, people talk about Amazon, that are all billions of dollars. But what you require here that is the investment and the mentorship of the young minds or actually the incubators. That is the most important. When I told you actually that job creation, I am going back again to the same thing. It has to be started actually from a very small. Mr. Sahu was explaining that how it works actually from this school, from the colleges. Not, I will not say schools, but at least from colleges. So in that way, what actually that the GPFL, we thought over it. We discussed with actually that Mr. Sahu and with others in our board, and we have created a separate fund called a startup fund now. So the startup fund is already started and it will be actually operational from 1st April, that is another few days is there. And it is that it is a 60 crores fund now, maybe extended to 100 crores that in the near future, depending on this demand. Out of the startup fund that we will invest mostly that in incubation centers, in incubators who are developed through iCreate and its associates, because I believe that iCreate will have a lot of other associates and maybe that small ticket investments starting from that few lakhs to a crore or 2 crores maximum that it can be invested so that you can scale up. And again I go back, you can create more jobs. That is ultimately what we require. We require innovation, we require introduction of actually that technology, we require innovation at all stages, and that can only that create more jobs, and that is how that this country can progress. So we are very proud to be associated with iCredit. Thank you so much.